real? Can you feel what I feel? Does the pain subside when you think of me still? Is your loyalty to the royalty of Jehovah's sovereign will? If I let you in the car, are we just spinning all the wheels? Let's raise the vibration of the generation, or will you let the devil use it to kill? What is your final answer? Do you want the red or blue pill? Words, one of the greats. Will you love me like a fat kid loves cake? Will you give me a reason to doubt? Or is it eternity together and we figure things out? Is your real really fake? Or is it love that we make? Is your love really hate? Will you be good just for goodness sake? Are we gonna rise above from these ashes to love? Have you found the self-love that came from above? Where in the end, do you fly away like a dove? Is this really real? Can you feel what I feel? Does the pain subside when you think of me still? Is your loyalty to the royalty of Jehovah's sovereign will? If I let you in the car, are we just spinning all our wheels? Let's raise the vibration of the generation, or will you let the devil use it to kill? What is your final answer? Do you want the red or blue pill? God, I'm just gonna do what you tell me to do. You're the one who owns my heart that way. I know no one can break it but you. As long as I'm trusting you, I know I can't lose, because I refuse to get lost in the drugs and the booze. If I have to have a broken heart, then I know it is for you. I'll just keep letting spirit lead me into all truth, because when it comes to loyal people, there are only a few. When it comes to a loyal God, there is only one, and I know it is you. Is this really real? Can you feel what I feel? Does the pain subside when you think of me still? Is your loyalty to the royalty of Jehovah's sovereign will? If I let you in the car, are we just spinning all our wheels? Let's raise the vibration of the generation, or will you let the devil use it to kill? What is your final answer? Do you want the red or blue pill? So I'ma keep Jehovah in my focus while I'm working on me. Everything that I've been learning is not just hocus pocus, it is reality. All of these things are not just happening to me, they are divinely guided for me. My keen discernment tells me when to resist the devil, and I know that she flees. My God is the King, He gave a good future to me. I am divinely guided, it's best not to be messing with me. When Jehovah is done, there ain't nothing left of my enemy. He said, be still and know that I am God, and I'll put your enemies under your feet. As long as you're with me, their only option is defeat. Is this really real? Can you feel what I feel? Does the pain subside when you think of me still? Is your loyalty to the royalty of Jehovah's sovereign will? If I let you in the car, are we just spinning all our wheels? Let's raise the vibration of the generation, or will you let the devil use it to kill? What is your final answer? Do you want the red or blue pill? So I'ma keep Jehovah Most High in my sights and give you my life completely. I give you my relationship, my wife that you will give to me, my kids, my career, my divinity. I give it all to you, Lord, knowing that you first gave love to me. Without you in my life, I'd be lost indefinitely. So I cling to you and the cross, most definitely. And I thank you, God, for my soul family. And I thank you for everything they have been teaching to me. Thank you for the love that makes the connection so easily. Thank you for my talents and your healing energy. Thank you for making me like you, being one spirit with me. Thank you for my creative abilities. I'm in awe of you, and it's easy to see. Thank you for your heavenly magic and your love and humility. Is this really real? Do you feel what I feel? Does the pain subside when you think of me still? Is your loyalty to the royalty of Jehovah's sovereign will? If I let you in the car, are we just spinning all our wheels? Let's raise the vibration of the generation, or will you let the devil use it to kill? What is is your final answer? Do you want the red or blue pill? As long as I do it your way, Jehovah, I know I can never fail. I do it all for Yahweh. I told you his winds are filling on my sails. It was your love that held you to the cross, not some rusty old nails. And I don't care what anyone says, the power of Christ does compel. Is this really real? Can you feel what I feel? Does the pain subside when you think of me still? Is your loyalty to the royalty of Jehovah's sovereign will? If I let you in the car, are we just spinning all our wheels? Let's raise the vibration of the generation, or will you let the devil use it to kill? What is your final answer? Do you want the red or blue pill? Do you want the red or blue pill? Is this really real? Can you feel what I feel? Can you feel what I feel? Can you feel what I feel?